Hello, my name is Drew Beller, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Spanning Labs. Oh. The future is multi-chain. Spanning Labs is working on an interoperability solution that connects users seamlessly to developer applications on any chain they want. The days of users hopping around chains so that they have to bridge tokens, make new wallets, buy new gas tokens at a centralized exchange aren't going to last long. It didn't last long for Web 2, and it won't last long for Web 3. Spanning Labs is delivering infrastructure and tooling to make more seamless interoperability experiences for users and for developers. Developers can deploy their application once on a single chain and reach users anywhere across all of Web 3. Those users get guarantees that their contract addresses won't change. They're always custodying their assets directly without third parties in the middle. And developers get guarantees that they get the network characteristics of the chain that they deploy on. If they deploy on Ethereum for the decentralization that they need, or on Avalanche for the microtransactions that they need, all users will get that exact same experience. How does this work? Spanning Labs deploys a delegate contract on each network that we support. And that acts as the API or user interface for both developers and users. Users can talk to that delegate contract on chain A and directly reach contracts on chain B. Assets stored on another chain can directly point to users without having a third-party custody agent in between. Let's walk through an ERC20 example currently deployed on our testnet. Here we have a all right, I'll walk through it in voice. If you'd like to see the video, you can follow us on Discord and our Twitter, or visit us at our booth later. But let's imagine there's a Rinkeby user or an Ethereum user who owns a token and wants to transfer it directly to a Mumbai user. With the Spanning network, they can initiate that token transfer as if it were a native token transfer. Simply select the amount that they're sending and the user that they're sending it to, and click transfer and confirm in MetaMask with no extra steps. That request is piped directly to the ERC20 contract that the developer deployed. The developer only had to deploy a single ERC20 contract on whatever chain they like. In the demo application you'll see later, it's deployed on Avalanche Fuji. And with one contract deployed on Avalanche Fuji, a user can access it from Ethereum and directly send those tokens to another user on Polygon without any extra steps. This ease of developer integration is very important to Spanning Labs. We focus on making applications multi-chain in less than 5 lines of code and in one single contract deployment. In fact, for most use cases, it's as simple as a single word change. We've built out common multi-chain base classes for ERC20s, ERC721s, 1155s, access control, ownable, and other standard base classes, as well as their extensions, including mintable, burnable, pausable, upgradable, etc. We're working with a number of projects today to build things like multi-chain DAOs, cheaper gaming, multi-chain airdrops, multi-chain royalty functionality, multi-chain marketplaces, multi-chain payments, metaverses, and more. And we're really excited to get more partners on board and onboard our testnet to continue to see what people will build. Our testnet is currently live across 5 EVM chains, including Ethereum, or the testnet versions of Ethereum, Arbitrum, Binance, Avalanche, Polygon, and Polygon. We'll be steadily releasing more documentation over the coming weeks, but we would love to see what you're going to build and have you join our community on Discord or follow us on Twitter. We also have a booth just down the hall, right on floor 7. So if you'd like to learn more or get early access to some of our code and see the demo video as well, or use the demo application directly, please stop by. Thank you very much.